What is up, everybody? I hope everybody's having an awesome day. It is May 23rd, 2019, and I was watching Redpanda's video showing off the new Claymore 14.5 with the NVIDIA boost, and I was hoping that maybe it could help some of my cards. I personally am running a GTX 1660 non-TI model, so it's got the GDDR5 memory in it, the slow memory, in my personal machine right now, just doing some testing with it. So let me jump over here and I'll show you. This is the exact card that I'm running. It was like 220 bucks. I think I got it on sale for like 200. Anyway, a lot of people count this card out ahead of time. I'll go over here to what to mine and show you that they're rating a 1660 at doing 20.5 mega hash. So not even 21 mega hash. And I haven't really contested with that a lot. I've got mine up to like 23. Sometimes if I push it hard, like 24 mega hash. Well, I followed Redpanda's video, went through and set up the 14.5, set up the NVIDIA boost, blah, 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 with the new straps. It boots up, and it shows that the 1660, this hardware is not compatible with the memory strap. So I'm like, oh, dang, okay, no big deal. So then I just start playing with some overclocks anyway, and I actually run into this this setting right here. I'm getting 27 mega hash, pretty much stable. I was running like this for, I don't know, maybe 30, 45 minutes, and I was like, man, I really need to let some people know about this, because I have not seen anybody running their 1660 non-TI models this deep into Ethereum hash rate territory. So, I mean, this is really getting closer to what like a regular 1070 would be doing. Definitely blowing a 1060, blowing past the 1060, but at that 27 mega hash, these were my MSI settings. I went ahead and screenshotted it before I start recording, because I cannot record and show you guys at mining at the same time. It will actually crash the system. So the core was doing 2040 mega hash, or 2040 megahertz. I had my core clock set to plus 90. I just left it at 100% power, as these cards don't pull a lot of power to begin with. I don't have a kilowatt meter, but at 100% power, I think that's either 120 to 140 watts. Not 100% sure. Memory clock was set to plus 910. That seems to be the golden area. It likes to crash if I go anything over plus 950, and plus 920 to 930 seemed like it was unstable. The hash rate was bouncing around, but at 910, she was steady as could be at 27 mega hash right there. Look at that. 27.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. On down the list, we had one that deviated, and it was 27.09, but that's still negligible. I'm really kind of pumped about this, because essentially it's like an extra 4 mega hash on top of like the best settings I had for this. And this is on Claymore 14.5, so I don't think the actual NVIDIA boost is helping it, but something they did updating this miner has severely, or well, significantly helped this 1660. So I'm going to do some more testing on some other cards, especially newer cards like my 2070, and see how they do. But I just wanted to let you guys know that if you have one of these cards, you could potentially be missing out on some hash rate. I know one of the guys in the Discord, Dunn, he's actually running his 2060 at like 21 mega hash. I mean, not 2060, his 1660 at like 21 mega hash on Phoenix Miner. So it looks like you're missing out there a little bit on some mega hashes done. Contact me if you want to see my settings or anything more in addition to what I've shown on here. Yeah, and if any of you guys need help with any of that, always, there's plenty of people in the Discord. You can jump in there, send me a message. I don't always get back right away, but if you go to the general chat, there's always somebody in there that's got some good knowledge. Let's jump over and take a look at the market before we end out today's video. Bitcoin had a pretty strong day, climbing back up almost to the 8,000 mark. It's at 7,926. Ethereum's right behind it at $246.67. Further on down the list, Litecoin is in the 5th position at $89.72. Monero, 13th position at $85.22. Ethereum Classic, $7.13, getting back in that $7 range. Kind of scared me when she jumped down into $6. $6, but basic attention token still not doing as good as I'd like it to at only 35 cents. Going further down, it looks like Bitcoin Diamonds at $1.08 and Raven Coins at 5.4 cents. And rounding out the top 100, Walton Chain $2.24 in the 70th position. Where's Aeon at? Aeon was around here somewhere. Did I lose it? Oh, Aeon actually dropped down, 93rd position. It was in the 80s, but 20.5 cents. And Zcoin rounding out 99th position at $7.40. So guys, I do have to run. Sorry, I haven't been able to make it live, but just remember 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Be there or be square. By the way, if you want to look into setting up the NVIDIA boost, it is confirmed working on 1050 Ti's, 1070s, I think, is what Redpanda showed it working on. I'll put a link down below for Redpanda's video in the description. He does an awesome job on showing you the setup, because it is a little bit different than using Claymore before. You got to add some stuff in there and do some restarts, and it's not bad though. It doesn't take but like 10 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. This is Brandon. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.